Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a power supply unit, specifically the H260EBM-00, a 260W PSU designed as a compatible upgrade for a range of Dell Optiplex desktops. If you're rocking a Dell Optiplex 3050, 3060, 5050, 7050, or even some of the newer 3080, 5080, 5090, 7080, and 7090 models, this could be a worthwhile upgrade, especially if you're experiencing power issues or planning to install a more power-hungry component. This PSU is designed as a direct replacement, meaning it should fit seamlessly into your compatible Dell Optiplex system. It features the standard 6-pin and 4-pin connectors needed to power the motherboard and other essential components. The H260EBM-00 is also known under the part number H7X3F, so if you see that number listed, you're looking at the same unit. The 260W power rating is sufficient for most standard configurations of these Optiplex models. If you're only using integrated graphics and a standard hard drive or SSD, you should be fine. However, if you've upgraded to a dedicated graphics card or added multiple storage devices, you might want to consider a higher wattage PSU to ensure stable performance and prevent potential issues. One of the key benefits of using a compatible PSU like this is the ease of installation. Since it's designed specifically for these Dell Optiplex models, you won't have to worry about compatibility issues or modifying the case to make it fit. Simply remove the old PSU, plug in a new one, and connect the necessary cables. The H260EBM-00 is a switching power supply, which is a standard type used in most modern computers. Switching power supplies are more efficient than older linear power supplies, meaning they waste less energy and generate less heat. This can help to improve the overall reliability and lifespan of your system. Before purchasing, double-check your Dell Optiplex model number to ensure compatibility. While this PSU is compatible with a wide range of models, it's always best to be certain. Also, consider your power requirements. If you're planning any further upgrades that will increase power consumption, you might want to explore other options. Overall, the H260EBM-00 260W power supply is a solid choice for those needing to replace a faulty PSU or looking for a bit more headroom in their compatible Dell Optiplex systems. Its compatibility, ease of installation, and efficient design make it a worthwhile consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.